How to watch USA Network on Roku. To watch USA Network on Roku, you need to authenticate the app using a valid TV provider account. When you open the USA Network app on Roku, it will show you an activation code and ask you to go to usanetwork.com/activate. On that website, you must enter the code and sign in using the username and password from a participating cable, satellite, or live TV streaming provider account such as Hulu, Plus Live TV, YouTube TV, Sling TV, Fubo TV, DirecTV Stream, or a traditional cable provider like Xfinity, Spectrum, Dish, etc. Without one of these paid TV subscriptions, you cannot activate the full content of the USA Network app. If you do not have a TV provider subscription, the USA Network app will only allow you to access a very limited selection of free clips or preview content.